Welcome back to the Unlimited channel. Today, I'm transforming a gas motorcycle into a chainless EV, starting by repurposing old gears from a broken tractor, machining the parts to create a custom direct drive system, installing a solid base for the electric motor and battery pack. What do you think of this idea? Let me know in the comments below. The bike now runs incredibly smooth with zero chain maintenance. If you enjoyed this, please hit subscribe to support my new builds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Stagnant under pressure.
The car is finished. Let's check the speed of this car together. Let's go to the meeting point. Today, I'm going to give you something to eat.
Let me guide you, 'cause there ain't no way. The pressure of the outside, feel like taking over. 'Cause there ain't no way. Let me guide you to no way.
See you in the next video. Thank you.